Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette again. How y'all doing, everybody out there? And guys, if you're new to me, welcome, welcome, welcome. Look at these beautiful purple, what are they? I don't know. Let's look at them. I got you guys out and about. They're purpley. I don't know what they are, but I'm out and about. I like having you guys around. And so, if you're new to me, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your girl, Georgette. And my channel is all about inspiring you, yes, and motivating you. And, you know, over the course of the time, I have transformed my life. And I hope I can do that for you guys as well. So I'm on the road here today. I just stopped and I thought I will shoot me a video. Yes, and so I want to talk about dream, faith, and work. You know, little kids dream that they're mermaids, that they are Ken and Barbie, and you know, they put the Superman outfit on and they think that they're Superman, they're Spider-Man, and you know, they really, 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 really do believe that. But then at a certain age, we stop dreaming. We stop wanting to be more. We stop desiring more. And that's what I really want to talk about. Why do we stop dreaming? We stop dreaming because we allow all of the external forces to knock us down. Yeah, the bills, stresses of life, the news, everything that's in the media that we believe to be true, and we stop dreaming. But I want to tell you that dreaming is creating. It is through dreaming that you dream for something greater than what you actually have now and bring it forth. Dreaming is in meditation. You visualize when close your eyes. You visualize for more. Dreaming is setting an intention for something greater than you physically have right now and start creating it. That's dreaming, and that's possible. There are endless opportunities and resources, but you have to tap into it. You've got to tap into those resources and opportunities. They just won't lay in your lap. No. And so how do you tap into it? Through dreaming. Yes. You dream to travel the world first class. You dream to live in the beautiful mansion. You dream to drive a Rolls Royce. Then it is possible. Keep dreaming. Keep meditating. Keep visualizing. Close your eyes in meditation and visualize and create the life that you want. And that's dreaming. Having faith. After dreaming, you then have to trust and have faith in the divine, God, the universe, the higher power. So it's three things I saw as I was driving just now. It was on a street sign as I was driving, and it says, dream, faith, and work. The faith part is that trips a lot of us up, boy. Because that faith part, that the having faith is when you let go and surrender. I did a video, I think I will leave that video popping up. I did a video on that a couple days ago, how to let go and surrender. And that's having faith. And so after you dream, after after you set your intention, after you put it out there and desire more, then you gotta have faith, guys. You gotta have faith in the higher power. There is a higher power. And whatever you call that higher power, whether it's the universe, and it's okay, you can put any label, it, he, she, the universe, you can do that. But you have to let go and surrender. And then the last one I saw was work. The work is not the work that we are taught to do from a child. Go out there and push hard and do 3 jobs, because when you work 1 job and you want to take a vacation and you really can't, then people go out and get 2 more jobs. And you will never be able to work the hours that's in the day to give you the dream life. So it's better you stop trying to push and work so physically, work so hard, and start dreaming. Because the work that I'm talking about is the inner work and also inspired work, inspired action. Because when you start to dream, and I know that that's true for me, when you start to dream, when you start to meditate and visualize greater for your life, inspired action, you will then start to think of things. Oh, I want to write a book. Oh, I think I can do this. I did not know that I would be doing a YouTube channel, having a YouTube channel. I didn't know that. That was never in my future until I started dreaming. And here it is now. I am on YouTube. I thank you, all of you, for always watching and supporting your girl. I thank you so much. And I do hope that you guys gain some value from all the videos I have been doing for you guys. I really do hope so. And so that's the work I'm talking about. You got to do the inner work, and that's the dreaming, that's the visualizing, that's the having faith and let go and surrender, and also inspired action. You will be given those intuition. You know, someone will come to you with a business proposition. Someone will come to you to partner with them. Someone will come to you with just an opportunity out the blue. You know, when you start to dream for more and greater, you will find opportunities and resources just line up. And that's the work. That's the inspired action that you take. And that's what I'm talking about, how to dream, have faith, and work, and bring forth and create the life that you desire. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. I'm leaving in the link below, a tutorial guide, how to guide you step by step. It's my daily guide that I use, and I'm leaving the link for that. It's amazing. And I'm leaving you a free gift as well, and I'm leaving videos popping up. So guys, please subscribe to your girl channel. Yes, please leave me a comment. I love to see you guys commenting, and I do respond. And also, YouTube algorithm loves to see people interact, and give me those thumbs up, guys. Like and share the video. And so guys, I thank you for watching. I love you. I send you love and light. Keep watching. Their videos popping up for your watching pleasure. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed being out and about with me. Bye bye. Love you guys.